Alright, y'all, it's your boy Trey, man. We finna check out Key Glockoma 2. We finna, bro. Key Glock, like, I don't know, man. Like, I've never been a huge Key Glock fan, I would say. But I wanted to check this out to see if I, like, can, like, keep. I mean, I like, actually, nah, I ain't gonna lie. I like Yellow Tape. Yellow Tape 2. I never heard the original Glockoma either, so I might have to check that out if I like this, man. Yo, let me know y'all favorite songs off of here down below, man. I'm excited for this, bro. It's gonna be my first time listening to I think this is gonna be my first Key Glock tape reaction. I think probably. So yeah, man, we're finna check this out. Yo, hit that like and sub, but we gonna get right into it. First up, we got Dirt.
Lizard. Paper out 5 L, nigga. Yeah. Cook a lot for me, nigga. It's a family, not a game. And not a game. Sick of niggas tryna throw dirt on my name. Drinking my cup, no Kurt Cobain. Yeah, Glock be the name, and you know I'm gon' bang. I made me some millions, they think I'm a chain.
Hey, no. If y'all listen to Big Scar album, Key Glock verse on Big Scar album is so hard, bro. Like, it's so hard.
Fuck this fame, man, fuck these chains. Made packs disappear like David Blaine. These bitches be all on my danger line. I just bought a new blue pinky ring. My heart code is icebox. Number 1 rule, get that money, man. I got this shit from Dolph. It ain't no shame up in my game. I'm tryna get it off. This street shit is just not the same. Most of these niggas soft. I just stay out the way and collect my bread. If you get in my way, you get one in the head. Go yard full of blues. Sippin' on red. Like worm, I'm about my money. I smoke your ass like crib. I'm a player, I can show you how to play it. You're stepping on
that
niggas.
Friday reference.
Go to sleep with a chop by the bed. All this ice on me, I need a sled. All this ice on me, I need a sled. Think my bar chain need a coat. Get that money and stack it, you dig? Nobody like being broke. This street shit ain't no joke. Everybody wanna be rich. You gotta get off your ass and get up on your shit. My McLaren in the jet. My Maybach is a ship. My pockets keep getting fat. It come from all these chips. Bitch. Run through it like him. Him and boy. Him and Neutron. Him Donkey.
Him Donkey.
Sick of niggas tryna throw dirt on my name. Drinking my cup, no Kurt Cobain. Yeah, Glock be the name, and you know I'm gon' bang. I made me some millions, they think I'm a chain. Hey, fuck this fame, man, fuck these chains. Made packs disappear like David Blaine. These bitches be all on my danger line. I just bought a new blue pinky ring. My heart code is icebox. Number 1 rule, get that money, man. I got this shit from Dolph. It ain't no shame up in my game. I'm tryna get it off. This street shit is just not the same. Most of these niggas soft.
Okay, that's a nice intro. That's called Dirt. I like that, bro. Like, I ain't gonna lie, I don't know if he always sounded like. Okay, we gonna see as I get through. I don't want to say that too soon. Next up, we got Work. Cause, bro, I feel like his voice sound different on this one, on that song, than what I'm usually accustomed to hearing from him. So next up, we got Work. Yo, let me know y'all favorite songs off of here.
Wake up, no pancakes, just syrup. 10 toes down, yeah, stay on alert. I get it in like the first and the third. This shit I got on it came out the dirt. All of this money, I feel like I'm cursed. I lost my dog every day, this shit hurt. Yeah, I lost my dog every day, this shit hurt. His voice in my head keep on telling me work. Yeah, I work my ass off. Can't worry about these bitches that I work my ass off. Ain't trusting none of these niggas that I ran that bag up, fuck nigga bag off. Still tryna take all my ops head off. Still killing this shit, my bad, y'all. Diamonds on me, buying Glock, you a bad dog. Yeah, Ran that bag up, fuck nigga bag off. Still tryna take all my ops head off. Still killing these niggas, my bad, y'all. Diamonds on my fine Glock, you a bad dog. Hellcat the rain go, no track out. Hit the gas, you can hear it when I smash out. Yeah, glitz like that nigga, hands down. Tryna blow this little bitch back out. I been in the cut, now I'm back out. I been in the cut, but I'm back now.
Hey, bro, he sound cold on these first 2 songs, bro. I ain't gonna sit here and like cap. He sound hard on these first 2 songs.
Nigga, I still bring them racks out, yeah. Nigga, I still got racks coming in. Nigga, I still bring them packs out. Yeah, don't judge me, bitch, that's how I is.
Nah, for real. Hold on, excuse my French. French.
That's how it is.
Wake up, no pancakes, just serve. 10 toes down, yeah, stay on alert. I get it in like the first and the third. This shit I got on it came out the dirt. All of this money, I feel like I'm cursed. I lost my dog every day, this shit hurt.
Yeah, I lost my dog every day, this shit hurt.
His voice in my head keep on telling me work. Yeah, I work my ass off. Can't worry about these bitches that I work my ass off. Ain't trusting none of these niggas that I work my ass off. Can't worry about these bitches that I work my ass off. Ain't trusting none of these niggas that I ran that bag up, fuck nigga bag off. Still tryna take all my ops head off. Still killing this shit, my bad, y'all. Diamonds on me buying Glock, you a bad dog.
I like this so far. He's showing out. I seen a tweet on Twitter, somebody saying we need to talk about how Key Glock the best rapper out right now. I wonder is that valid? Next up we got Randy Orton. I don't know who that is. Wait a minute.
Name on my neck,
What's happening? I'ma go get a bag, automatic. I keep Nina with me, she's a baddie. I be popping my shit, they can't stand it. All in the hits with a ratchet. Yeah, sliding in a bulletproof caddy. Yeah, I'm sliding in a bulletproof caddy, boy. I'm savage, but don't call me Randy. Yeah, I'm slamming these bitches like Randy. Or I hit from the back trying to damage. Yeah, I hit from the back trying to damage some. These bitches know that I ain't playing around. These niggas know that I ain't laying up. Hey, come to the trap, get a bite for your book. Hey, I do my thing, I show up when it's clutch. Yup, money coming in and it come in the rush. You ain't
Hey, bro. Wait, what is Key Glock considered? Is he considered trap rap? Like a trap rapper? That's a good question. Bro, why I just think about that? That's a great question. Y'all let me know down below.
talking about money like granny said hush. I just hopped out my coupe and we hopped in her good. Since I jumped out my mama, been fucking shit up. Hey, I thought that I told you before, I'm the one. Turn a 2 to a 4 to a I just might name my little boy Sean, cause I shine hard as a motherfucking sun. Fucked around, spit like 6 figures and guns. I'm tryna whack me a op every month. What's happening? I'ma go get a bag, automatic. I keep Nina with me, she's a baddie. I be popping my shit, they can't stand it. All in the hills with a ratchet. Yeah, sliding in a bulletproof caddy. Yeah, I'm sliding in a bulletproof caddy, boy. I'm savage, but don't call me Randy. Yeah, I'm slamming these bitches like Randy. What's happening? I'ma go get a bag, automatic. I keep Nina with me, she's a baddie. I be popping my shit, they can't stand it. All in the hills with a ratchet. Yeah, sliding in a bulletproof caddy. Yeah, I'm sliding in a bulletproof caddy, boy. I'm savage, but don't call me Randy. Yeah, I'm slamming these bitches like Randy. Or I'm going in, got the ball in my court. Rest in peace, Doc, yeah, he gave me the torch. When I count money, that shit bring me joy. Yeah, I made a bake tryna make me some more. Yeah, I be laid back cause these niggas decoy. Yeah, one other reason can't fuck with these boys. I'm getting them in like I work at them more. Hey, tryna play innocent, no shit whore. Glitz like the nigga, the one they adore. I'm all in Atlanta with choppers and scammers. I fuck half the bitches that work in the Lord. Killing these niggas, this shit getting bored. Not from Detroit, but this shit on the what? Not from Detroit, but it's stuck to the ceiling. Talking about money, you got my attention. Let's get it. I'ma go get a bag, automatic. I keep Nina with me, she's a baddie. I be popping my shit, they can't stand it. All in the hills with a ratchet. Yeah, sliding in a bulletproof caddy. Yeah, I'm sliding in a bulletproof caddy, boy. I'm savage, but don't call me Randy. Yeah, I'm slamming these bitches like Randy. What's happening? I'ma go get a bag, automatic. I keep Nina with me, she's a baddie. I be popping my shit, they can't stand it. All in the hills with a ratchet. Yeah, sliding in a bulletproof caddy. Yeah, I'm sliding in a bulletproof caddy, boy. I'm savage, but don't call me Randy. Yeah, I'm slamming these bitches like Randy.
Orton. That's alright. I definitely I mess with Key Glock voice on this so far. I like this. Next up we got Chromosomes. Yeah, Chromosomes.
Hey, yo, band play.
Four O's inside of styrofoam. 1, 2, 3, 4 hoes are trying to take me home. 5, 6 bracelets on my wrist look like a pot of gold. Money, 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 money running through my chromosomes. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's inside of styrofoam. 1, 2, 3, 4 hoes are trying to take me home. 5, 6 bracelets on my wrist look like a pot of gold. Money, 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 money running through my chromosomes. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's inside my family. Yeah. Sliding through Atlanta, yeah, bitch, I fuck with the scammers. Yeah, I'm bout my bucks like Tampa. This money got me baffled. Yeah, I get it with no hassle. Yeah, I'm one little rich ass bastard. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 O's inside my snappers. Yeah, I really, really get it. Why these niggas hustling backwards? I got 1, too many chains on this Casa Family. Yeah. They say money talk, well, can you please excuse my grammar? I got 99 problems and the ops ain't one.
He said, I got 99 problems and the ops ain't one.
Say money talk, well, can you please excuse my grammar? I got 99 problems and the ops ain't one. I been hustling, I been getting it, niggas, since the day one. Got like 6 chains on, niggas ain't gon' take one. Yeah, I keep that bang on me, nigga ain't gon' take none. You did 1, 2, 3, 4 O's inside of styrofoam. 1, 2, 3, 4 hoes are trying to take me home. 5, 6 bracelets on my wrist look like a pot of gold. Money, 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 money running through my chromosomes. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's inside of styrofoam. 1, 2, 3, 4 hoes are trying to take me home. 5, 6 bracelets on my wrist look like a pot of gold. Money, 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 money running through my chromosomes.
That's fire, bro. Like, I also noticed with Key Glock, he never got features on his. He ain't never got features on his tape unless it was Dolph. Really, if we being honest, like, bro, why has he never had features like that? That's weird to me. Not weird, but like, wow. Dolph was really like the only dude he messed with. That's crazy. Bro, keep like, do he not do features? It just been him and Dolph. I never noticed this. How have I never knew that? Bro, that's crazy. So next up we got 2 for 1 though. That's crazy to me.
Glock Schwarzenegger, I terminate you. Arts and crafts, nigga. I'm playing with the paper. Sipping syrup maple, dripping in Bottega. I just put up with my chopper like the Undertaker. I'm a money maker, I get it on the wake up. I'm a rich nigga, but I still might pull a caper. Never been a hater, I stay in my lane. Heater on my waist, it's a cold game. Ain't got no shame, I'm tryna wax some. Round of applause, I'm tryna clap some. Yeah, these niggas bitches, they need tampons. I got 10 foreigns, told Gliss I pick one. Too many whips, I can't decide. Too many bitches on my dick and 3 many niggas hate my grind. 10 toes down, I need all of mine. Yeah, I be getting money like all the time. I might drop a bag, don't drop no dime. I been running this shit up for a while. Yeah, please pass me my cup. Tryna get how Elton John. Bullets make you duck, goose you better run. Bullets make you duck, goose you better run. And ain't shit changed, bitch, I'm still going dumb. shit look easy, niggas masked up like thunder. Yellow diamonds on me, this shit hitting hard like thunder. I'm all about
Oh my God, he said I made this shit look easy. Net messed up like Donda. That bar crazy.
bread every motherfucking crumble. 30 rounds in my G-Lock, hit you with a combo. Yeah, I used to be up on the block just like Matumbo. If it's about money, then I'm all ears jumbo. I wake up every morning, grab my heat like Alonzo, bitch. Too many whips, I
Grab
can't
my
decide.
heat like Alonzo. If you watch basketball, you know. Hey, bro. Hey, Key Glock. Hey, man. He going
Many
crazy.
bitches on my dick and 3 minute niggas hate my grind. 10 toes down, I need all of mine. Yeah, I be getting money like all the time. I might drop a bag, don't drop no dime. I been running this shit up for a while. Money coming in, I stack it in piles. Brand new whip came with no miles. Like P.O.P. just hold it down. It's paper over pussy, I'm not no clown. If I hold my wrist up, we just might drown. My T-Rex pick up 100,000. And Zoc, I'm a dog, but I do not growl. But my diamonds bite, I get higher than a satellite. These niggas ain't nothing but snakes and mice. Gambling with life with a paradise. This shit ain't sweet, ain't paradise. Ran the money up, I ain't scared of heights. But if I go broke, I might pull a heist. Ran the money up, I ain't scared of heights. But if I go broke, I might pull a kick dough. Dough. Yeah, I'm all about that dough. Green light, it's a go. Good like this, my bro. And these bros over hoes. Yeah, these niggas hoes.
Yeah, bro. Hey, Key Glock coming. He low-key might be the rap. He might be the best rapper out. Ain't nobody dropped this year. Best rapper album of 2023 so far. Hey, who knows? Next up, we got Pop My Shit.
Mr. Glock. South Memphis finest, nigga. Yeah. I pop my shit for fun. I be smoking on that Zaza, sipping lean like pimpin' bun. Yeah, these niggas talk that rah-rah shit, but they know I ain't the one. Yeah, these niggas talk that rah-rah shit, ain't even got a crumb. Hey, I been counting all day, I done fractured my thumb. I took a look down in my wrist and it looked just like a pun. I took a look up in the mirror and told that nigga you won. Real street nigga, drop a nigga, then drop a song like ain't shit happen. Yeah, I just got off to it right back, yep, I'm back at it. If you know just like I know, these niggas big capping. Yeah, all that make believe shit, you need to quit rapping. Yeah, heard you got stuck with a P, you need to quit trapping. I pop my shit for fun. I be smoking on that Zaza, sipping lean like pimpin' bun. Yeah, these niggas talk that rah-rah shit, but they know I ain't the one. Yeah, these niggas talk that rah-rah shit, ain't even got a crumb. Hooked on this milk all day, I'm the same age as her son. Told my nigga no attempt and shit, we tryna get it done. I get cake like every day, but my birthday I got it done. Got Ben Franklin on my line, I told that nigga, here I come. Like, here I come. I got blue strips in my pocket, I got blue tips in my gun. I had copped the Go Yard wallet and I bought this shit for none. If I put my jewelry on the scale, this shit would say a ton. This bitch said that
I said Key Glock no new features, and then I said, did y'all hear his verse on Big Scar album? Hey, I'm an idiot, fam. But bro, I swear I don't see Key Glock on a lot of albums as it is. So, like, Big Scar was one of the only ones I've seen.
Uno, yeah, number one. Pockets fat, real fat. Sumo started with crumbs. Chopper sing, Bruno, yeah, Bruno Mars. Let a nigga play with me, you gon' see a shooting star. I pop my shit for fun. I be smoking on that Zaza, sipping lean like pimpin' bun. Yeah, these niggas talk that rah-rah shit, but they know I ain't the one. Yeah, these niggas talk that rah-rah shit, ain't even got a crumb. Hey, I been counting all day, I done fractured my thumb. I took a look down in my wrist and it looked just like a pun. I took a look up in the mirror and told that nigga you won. Real street nigga, drop a nigga, then drop a song like ain't shit happen.
Bro, man, hey, that's fire, man. Key Glock definitely, man. He's showing out on this. I'm liking this so far. Like, he displaying a lot I haven't like really seen from him as an artist. Like, he definitely, it sounded like it could be one of his best tapes, probably. I can't even say that because I ain't listened to a lot of them. But I do know I definitely listened to Yellow Tape. I think that's probably the only one I listened to, like all the way through, and Yellow Tape too. Yeah, so I definitely got to check out his other tapes to just compare them and see which one doing the best. But this one is really good so far. Next up, we got Designer Down.
Yeah, Glizza, G-Lock. Yeah, Designer Down with some fucking J's on. Glizzock on that nigga, give him something to hate on. Told this bitch get off my line, this is not a play phone. I got a whole nother line, I be making plays on. Yeah, my pockets fat as hell, they said I put some weight on. Made a couple meals off, rap my chopper, sing like Trey song. Yeah, I be getting to that money, nigga, all day long. Yeah, bitch, I'm from South Memphis, it is not a safe zone. Yeah, told you that I'm cutthroat, I can't cut you no slack. First I fell in love with money, then got sprung after that. I went from flipping off the mattresses to flipping them packs. And then I jumped up in the rap game, then I got me some flags. Yeah, bitch, they call me Glock, you know I keep one attack. Just put up in that yellow motherfucker with some blue racks. I order lemon pepper diamonds, it didn't come with no ranch. Diamonds dance like Travis Porter, this shit turn to the max. Yeah, Designer. With some fucking J's on. Blitz, I be that nigga, give him something to hate on. Told this bitch get off my line, this is not a play phone. I got a whole nother line, I be making plays on. Yeah, this bitch looking at me, baby, what you waiting on? Told her I ain't got nothing for you, baby, but a way home. My main bitch mad at me cause a nigga stay gone. I'm just going to get this bag, I'll be back, won't take long. Yeah, Designer Down with some J's on my feet. Yeah, I just told myself that ain't nobody fucking with we. Yeah, I just told myself that ain't nobody fucking with me. I ran that money up so fast I need a new pair of cleats. Yeah, Designer Down with some fucking J's on. Glizzock on that nigga, give him something to hate on. Told this bitch get off my line, this is not a play phone. I got a whole nother line, I be making plays on. Yeah, Designer Down with some fucking J's on. Fucking J's on, with some retro J's on. Told this bitch get off my line, this is not a play phone. It's not a play phone, baby, this a pay phone. Yeah.
This is not a play phone, baby, it's a play phone. Bro, every song has been so fire. Right here we got From Nothing.
Run it up, Blondo. Run it up. All the way up. Yeah, ran on my money. I came in the game, did my thing, get Johnny. I'm the same young nigga that came from nothing. Yeah. Bitch, I came from nothing. I'm straight off the block, I won't change for nothing. I made it out the hood, but I still be thug. I made it out the hood, but I still be drug. Hood rich nigga hands still get dirty. Only 24 when I keep me a 30. Shit'll get ugly, I got it in plug. I made it out the hood, but I still be drug. Hood rich nigga hands still get dirty. Only 24 when I keep me a 30. Shit'll get ugly, I got it in plug. It's not a secret, I got it on me. Fucked around, spent like 3 million in bling. Yeah, I know I'm humble, it's not what it seems. Yeah, fuck everybody, I'm all about my cream. Cartier shades, yeah, I buy like Kareem. Yeah, I leave a mark when I leave the scene. I'm nothing like y'all, these niggas be green. From the same city that killed Martin Luther King. Young niggas ain't really having no dream. Young niggas tryna get them some money. Young nigga came a long way. Count bread, sippin' lean, first Sunday. Yeah, I'm all out west, count a motherfucking chick. We gang them swingin' on corner. You know how I do it, bitch, I'm about that bag. If I said I did it, I done it. Yeah, ran on my money. I came in the game, did my thing, get Johnny. I'm the same young nigga that came from nothing. Yeah, bitch, I came from nothing. I'm straight off the block, I won't change for nothing. I made it out the hood, but I still be stuck. I made it out the hood, but I still be drug. Hood rich nigga hands still get dirty. Only 24 when I keep me a 30. Shit'll get ugly, I got it in plug. I made it out the hood, but I still be drug. Hood rich nigga hands still get dirty. Only 24 when I keep me a 30. Shit'll get ugly, I got it in plug. It's nothing, I just put me a op in the oven. Tryna put so-and-so in a Russian. When they catch that boy, know they gon' rush him. Yeah, you know I hold grudges, don't judge me. If it ain't about no money, don't bug me. If it ain't about no money, don't bug me. Yeah, I really make M's with my cousin. Bitch, I I get it. Did I mention I get it the quickest? Yep, I get it the quickest and swiftest. If an inch on a fuck nigga Christian. Mr. Glock, I got bundles of bitches. Yeah, I keep me a Glock in my breeches. Yeah, my mind still stuck in the trenches. Yeah, I got rich and still go on missions. Bitch. Yeah, ran on my money. I came in the game, did my thing get jumped. I'm the same young nigga that came from nothing. Yeah. Bitch, I came from nothing. I'm straight off the block, I won't change for nothing. I made it out the hood, but I still be drugging. I made it out the hood, but I still be drugging. Hood rich nigga hands still get dirty. Only 24 when I keep me a 30. Shit'll get ugly, I got it in public. I made it out the hood, but I still be drugging. Hood rich nigga hands still get dirty.
Bro, that's fire. I think that might be the best one and my favorite off it so far. That bar, he said, I'm from the same city that killed Martin Luther King. Oh, I know that bar was kind of crazy. Next up, we got Key Rex.
Big like Key Rex, Mike Copper G-Rex, chopper sing Key Sweat, banana clip, eat that, ran through a chick like a nigga at recess. I can see them little niggas saying, yeah, I peep that, nickname Glock, and you know that I keep that. Fuck the bitch good, yeah, I know that she'll be back. Stop me, but nigga, yeah, you know where I be at. I be getting money and it ain't hard to see that. Motherfucking feedback, nigga, you can keep that. I leave a bitch before my strap, I mean that. Riding in the yellow thing, flying like a dingbat. Bitch got a purse full of perks, that's a beanbag. I was 14 already in the deep end. 15 years old when I first ride the weed man. Turned 16, Glock 17 extended. 18, 19, made my first million. 20 years old when I fucking McLaren. You know I mean good, bitch, my wrist full of carrots. Remember them days I was trapping them baggies. Now, look, I'm having, I'm having this shit. My money good, got the baddest little bitch. Yeah, my money long and them facts, no fiction. Money talking right now, shut up and listen. My diamonds hit 10 like Sonny, listen. I fucked around, put some stones in my dentist. These niggas broken, I think they should fix it. I got the drop on the ops, we gon' blitz them. I'm high as fuck, pouring walk out a picture. 556, it sound like I miss her. Lie to this bitch, I just told her I miss you. Ain't blowing no kisses, just money and pistols. Fuck these hoes, money on my mental. Lame ass niggas hating got me tickled. Yeah, a big Glock, Key Rex, Mike Copper T-Rex, chopper sing Key Sweat, banana clip, eat that. Ran through a chick like a nigga at recess. I can see them little niggas saying, yeah, I peep that. Nickname Glock, and you know that I keep that. Fuck the bitch good, yeah, you know she'll be back. South me, but nigga, yeah, you know where I be at. I be getting money and it ain't hard to see that. I ran through a chick like a nigga at recess. I can see them little niggas saying, yeah, I peep that. Nickname Glock, and you know that I keep that. Fuck the bitch good, yeah, you know she'll be back. South me, but nigga, yeah, you know where I be at. I be getting money and it ain't hard to see that. Motherfucking feedback, nigga, you can keep that. I leave my bitch before my strap, I mean I'm riding in the yellow thing, flying like a dingbat. Bitch got a purse full of perks, it's a beanbag. Fat got the gate, he gon' splat, that's my wingman. I pass a bitch before my blunt, I'm a team man. Young nigga rich as fuck, still be scheming. Young nigga cold, ask your hoe, I'm a penguin. Yeah, I been told your hoes I'm a motherfucking penguin.
Hey, bro, he really ain't missing on here. Bro, his flow like sound really perfected on here. That's what I like to see from an artist though, like them perfect they sound and just go off on every song, bro. Cause every single song, 1 through 10 so far, crazy. Next up, we got In and Out of Town.
Yeah.
Bro, still no features. It's crazy to me. It's crazy.
Hey, yo, bad play.
Cut that line for me, paper outside here. You know what I'm saying? Paper out business, paper out campaign. Whatever you wanna call this shit, nigga. Yeah, get back gang. Yo, bitch fave, yeah, nigga, what? This shit still major, ayy. Don't tell me, don't tell me to slide. I was on it before my nigga died. These niggas hiding, lil' bro got a switch and he can't wait to try. It's fucked up off, yeah, let them rock. These niggas, they be rapping lies. I'm bout my guap, these niggas clown, yeah, these niggas is Pennywise. Yo, bitch on my genitals, yeah, I been getting it for a while. 14 stole a £1/4, I ran it up, couldn't turn me down. Big like I been running wild. You want some beef, I slaughter cows. You know I don't play around, I keep that in and out of town. I fucked her on the floor and couch, this bitch got glizzy in her mouth. My chopper like to twerk it, clap, the only bitch I'm worried about. Niggas I ain't worried about, cause all they do is run their mouth. Niggas I ain't worried about, cause all they do is run their mouth. Don't tell me to slide, I been on it for a long time. These niggas porcupines, backstabbing, that is not my
He said, don't tell me to slide, I've been on it for a long time.
Hopping out a truck on 26s with my 45. You know I rip that 5, so that's why I got like 5 wives. I flip your ass like 5 guys. Choppers in all sides. Big old Glocks got all kinds. Gangin' got all kinds. I'm working.
Hey man, I do love how Key is just going hard on every single song though. Like, and he's saying some nice bars too. I appreciate it. I appreciate it a lot.
I don't want some, need all mine. Yeah, I need all of mine. Don't tell me to slide. I was on it before my nigga died. These niggas hiding. Lil' bro got a switch and he can't wait to try. These fucked up offset, let them rock. These niggas, they be rapping lies. I'm bout my guap. These niggas clown. Yeah, these niggas is Pennywise. Yo, bitch on my genitals. Yeah, I been getting it for a while. 14 stole a £1/4. I ran it up, couldn't turn me down. Big Glock, I been running wild. You want some beef? I slaughter cows. You know I don't play around. I keep that in and out of town.
Yeah, I like that. Hey, Hit Kid a great producer. Hit Kid cold. I ain't gonna lie. He got Grammy nominated with Glorilla. Next up, we got F Dash.
I'm sick of these lame ass niggas.
Band play.
Hey, I just want the money, fuck the fame and all that other shit. Yeah, I made a couple million, still ride with a couple sticks. Yeah, I keep Nina on my side, you know that she my gutter bitch. I got a check and fucked it up, I did it for the fuck of it. Hey, I just want the money, fuck the fame and all that other shit. Yeah, I made a couple million, still ride with a couple sticks. Yeah, I keep Nina on my side, you know that she my gutter bitch. I got a check and fucked it up, I did it for the fuck of it. Can't take it with you, fuck this shit. My nigga, fuck this shit. I fuck it up and get that shit right back. Oh yeah, I love this shit. Can't take it with you, fuck this shit. My nigga, fuck this shit. I fuck it up and get that shit right back. Oh yeah, I love this shit. I hate what I love, cause sometimes I love this shit too much. Prime example, you can take a look at what's up in my cup. Real nigga, give you anything, but still don't give a fuck. Rich nigga, I get what I want, these niggas don't want none. How the hell you hanging with the ops and tryna hang with us? Cut the lot familiar, all my niggas down to slice you up. Turn nickels to millions, keep the blicky, I mean no matter what. Hey, get up at your fitties, nigga, and go and get a bag or something. Hey, get up at your fitties, nigga, go and get a bag or something. What you sitting on your ass for, nigga? All this paper out here. Hey, I just want the money, fuck the fame and all that other shit. Yeah, I made a couple million, still ride with a couple sticks. Yeah, I keep Nina on my side, you know that she my gutter bitch. I got a check and fucked it up, I did it for the fuck of it. I'm sucker free, no sucker shit. Ain't no sucker shit. I'm rocking blue diamond, smoking gelato like my brother bitch. They say if it don't make no money, then it don't make no sense. Well, I've been making so much damn money, it don't make no sense. Yeah.
He's up making so much money, it don't make no sense.
Smoking gelato like my brother bitch.
Hey bro, Key going
I'm rocking blue diamond, smoking gelato like my brother bitch. I just want the money, fuck the fame and all that other shit. Yeah, I made a couple million, still ride with a couple sticks. Yeah, I keep Nina on my side, you know that she my gutter bitch. I got a check and fucked it up, I did it for the fuck of it. Can't take it with you, fuck this shit. My nigga, fuck this shit. Fuck this shit, fuck this shit, fuck this shit. Hey, can't take it with you, fuck this shit. My nigga, fuck this shit. Fuck this shit, fuck this shit.
I like that. That's fire.
Tomorrow, I promise.
Yeah, Key going crazy, man. Man, fire. Next song we got Money Over Girls. We got a few more songs, bro, but I'm gonna say this. It has been no skips at all.
They be like, what? Whoa, that young nigga right there, cuz. Riding in a drop top road. Yeah, I'm riding in a drop top road. Yeah, shout out to my gang, this bro. I ain't got no friends, just foes. Yeah, and you know I'm sticking to the code. Nigga, I put money over hoes. They be like, what? Whoa, that young nigga right there, cuz. Riding in in a drop top road. Yeah, I'm riding in a drop top road. Shout out to my gang, this bro. I ain't got no friends, just foes. Yeah, and you know I'm sticking to the code. Nigga, I put money over hoes.
Over these bitches,
No, these hoes can't get my dough. No, these bitches can't get my dough. I'm sipping on lean by the foe. Get a bag, do a show, then I roll. Yeah, I'm ballin', bitch, you know the scope. If you're talking about money, let's go.
let's go.
Little nigga, he hot as a stove. Mr. Glock got your bitch on the road. Mr. Glock got your bitch on the go. I see white teeth with diamonds and gold. I see niggas hate me on the low. Fuck they talking, gon' hit, drop the low. Fuck they talking, my nigga, let's go.
They be like, what?
Whoa, that young nigga right there, riding in a drop top road. Yeah, I'm riding in a drop top road. Yeah, shout out to my gang, this bro. I ain't got no friends, just foes. Yeah, and you know I'm sticking to the code. Nigga, I put money over hoes.
They be like, what?
Whoa, that young nigga right there, riding in a drop top road. Yeah, I'm riding in a drop top road. Yeah, shout out to my gang, this bro. I ain't got no friends, just foes. Yeah, and you know I'm sticking to the code. Nigga, I put money over hoes.
Fuck these bitches, yeah.
No, these hoes can't get my dough. No, I never sell my soul. Sell a hoe before I sell my soul. Sippin' on tricks, I ain't catching no cold. Middle school polo to the floor like dro. High school getting hit, yeah, Amber Cole. Bitch, my heart and my watch froze. Whoa, that young nigga right there, riding in a drop top road. Yeah, I'm riding in a drop top road. Shout out to my gang, this bro. I ain't got no friends, just foes. Yeah, and you know I'm sticking to the code. Nigga, I put money over hoes. Whoa, that young nigga right there, riding in a drop top road. Yeah, I'm riding in a drop top road. Shout out to my gang, this bro. I ain't got no friends, just foes. Yeah, and you know I'm sticking to the code. Nigga, I put money over hoes.
Over these bitches,
Yeah, bro. Key. Yeah. Bro done displayed a lot on here. I really like it, bro. Like, man, let me know y'all favorite songs off here. Because, bro, it's a handful. Like, I might say this whole tape front to back. Flawless. Next up, we got Ratchet.
G-Lock, old capping ass niggas. Got clips like a movie for these acting ass niggas. Yeah, 10 foreign whips, still a ratchet ass nigga. Yeah, all out in the hills with that ratchet on me, nigga. These niggas playing both sides, monkey in the middle. My nigga Atlantic Ocean in my wrist, a Nile River. Got money on my mind every time a nigga get up. I'm shitting on the industry, can't crop me out the picture. Yeah, bad bitch on my side, nigga, I call her Matilda. 7 in my backwood, came a long way from the switchers. Hey, when you run that money up, just watch them niggas switch up. This money shit ain't new to me, at 15 I was 10 up. Bad bitch look like a pin up, walking around with my chin up. One money hungry ass nigga, breakfast, lunch and dinner. I took a couple losses, that shit there made me a winner. Boss shit, baby, yeah, I do this for flipper, bitch. I'm nothing like these capping ass niggas. Got clips like a movie for these acting ass niggas. Yeah, 10 foreign whips, still a ratchet ass nigga. Yeah, all out in the hills with that ratchet on me, nigga. These niggas playing both sides, monkey in the middle. My nigga Atlantic Ocean in my wrist, a Nile River. Got money on my mind every time a nigga get up. I'm shitting on the industry, can't crop me out the picture. Nigga, what the fuck you thought?
He said, shitting on the industry. They can't crop me out the picture. He said, I don't need y'all. But y'all can't get rid of me. Y'all can't get rid of me. That's what he's saying, man.
This was, yeah, I got murder on my mind and it's not the drugs. I'm not your folks, I'm not your cuz, and I'm not your blood. Yep, I pour foes all the time, I sip lots of mud. White folks staring at me, I'm a rich ass thug. Fuck your bitch from the bag while I'm hitting my duck. Yeah, I smell like Baccarat, but the blunt still must. Diamonds dancing Michael Jackson, I'm a bad motherfucker. Yeah, I'm a bad motherfucker. Diamonds dancing Michael Jackson, I'm a bad motherfucker. Celine jean jacket, bitch, I dress like a trucker. All these bitches on my digger lean like John Tucker. Yeah, old capping ass niggas. Got clips like a movie for these acting ass niggas. Yeah, 10 foreign whips, still a ratchet ass nigga. Yeah, all out in the hills with that ratchet on me, nigga. These niggas playing both sides, monkey in the middle. My nigga Atlantic Ocean in my wrist, a Nile River. Got money on my mind every time a nigga get up. I'm shitting on the industry, can't crop me out the picture, bitch.
Bro, he's so hard. So right here we got Homicide Game.
Yo, man.
Hey, I'm South Diamond Mouth Glock 9.
Why I do that? Y'all heard that? There we go.
Hey, I'm a down south diamond mouth Glock 9 total. Homicide game, my young niggas them the coldest. Yeah, homicide game. Yeah, my young niggas be smoking shit. And they call me Glock, I keep that Glock, but you should know this shit. I be right back, little bitch, I got some dough to keep. I hop up in my phone and it don't matter which one they notice. It got 30 in my clip, even though I be on some solo shit. My auntie see my Jesus piece and she said, goddamn holy shit. This shit hit like Holyfield. I'm shooting shit, you know I will. Gang them tryna overkill, and the ops they know we is. Bar chain costs $250,000 plus a 60, that's for real. Bitch, I'm signed to the field, yeah, I still ain't signed the deal. Percocets, no Benadryl, been getting money and still live. Every time you see me, I got two cups, they like you still. Every time you see me, I got it took, nigga, I still will. Pull this motherfucker, I'm out of Mary Jeans and pull a trigger. Yeah. Shoot a nigga like Mike. I jumped up off the porch before I jumped up on the mic. Yeah, this shit just too easy. I be rapping my real life. I'm ruthless just like Easy. I ain't going without a fight. Hey, nigga, I'm a down south diamond mouth Glock 9 total. Homicide game, my young niggas them the coldest. Yeah, homicide game. Yeah, my young niggas be smoking shit. And they call me Glock, I keep that Glock, but you should know this shit. Hold up, little bitch, I got me some more dough to flip. Cash rules, everything around me like I grow this shit. I just pulled up before what you said, now I'm floating this shit. Niggas act like bitches about these bitches, but you know this shit. In the East Coast with my blicky, never leave without my stick. Niggas rest, yeah, they be Mickey, me, myself, ain't out of click. When I shoot this chopper, they like this nigga is accurate. When I shoot this chopper, they like this nigga is talented. Money talking to my ex, like I told you.
Hey, bro, Glock going crazy.
Bitches about these bitches, but you know this shit. In the East Coast with my blicky, never leave without my stick. Niggas rest, yeah, they be Mickey, me, myself, ain't out of click. When I shoot this chopper, they like this nigga is accurate. When I shoot this chopper, they like this nigga is talented. Money talking to my ex, like I told you. Yeah, my heart cold, but my wrist might be cold. I just got the drop, I told the ops I'm coming over. I just got the drop, I told the ops I'm coming over. I'm a down south diamond mouth Glock 9 total. Homicide game, my young niggas them the coldest. Yeah, homicide game. Yeah, my young niggas be smoking shit. And they call me Glock, I keep that Glock, but you should know this shit. I be right back, little bitch, I got some dough to keep. I hop up in my phone, it don't matter which one they notice. It got 30 in my clip, even though I be on some solo shit. My auntie see my Jesus piece and she said, goddamn holy shit.
Man, bro, like, he has not bored me one time on this album. Like, it ain't no song I'm like, this is boring. Like, he entertained throughout this entire album, bro. Last song we got F a feature. He said he don't need features.
D-Y crazy.
Yeah. Yeah.
So he don't need them.
Glizzy. Yeah, I might just pay myself for a feature. It's glitz like I be fresh and I finesse it like a preacher. It's MOB, I heard that it's cheaper to keep her. But hell no, I ain't stressing about no money or these bitches neither. Riding with 100 shots up in a 2-seater. Say hello to my little friend, it's nice to meet you. My top down, my eyes low, I'm smoking on some ether. My money low, my pockets fat, my pockets on pizza. Nigga. Yeah, my pockets on Peter Griffin. Yeah, bitch, I been getting it. Nina on my side, I let it spit just like Nicky. Too much money, they think I'm Illuminati. This shit wicked. Ayy, I'm too much for these niggas. Ayy, I'm 3 much for these bitches. Every day I pour a 4. Codeine floating in my system. Yup, my cousin, he's a bishop. But no, I ain't talking church. But we clapping like we in one. Ayy, I might just pay myself for a feature. It gets like I be fresh and I finesse you like a preacher. It's MOB, I heard that it's cheaper to keep her. But hell no, I ain't stressing about no money or these bitches just neither. This money got me turned up, yup, I just broke the meter. I'm flexing on these niggas, shit, I had to drop a sequel. You know I rep that 5, bitch, I do this for my people.
Said I be flexing on them, I had to drop a sequel.
I'm smoking on some Zy, but my auntie call it reefer. I'm ballin' hard on all my ops. Them niggas in the bleachers, you know I call all the shots. I hang with Grim Reapers, you know we standing on top. Them niggas just beneath us. Ay, fuck the rap game, just pay myself for a feature. Ay, fuck the rap game, I pay myself for a feature. Ay, fuck the rap game, I pay myself for a feature. Yeah.
Hey man, that's disrespectful. I'm gonna let that die out. Man, me on my favorite song is For Nothing. Like that song was too hard. And then I liked Homicide Gang, and I liked Dirt and Randy Orton, bro. This is a really good mixtape, man. Key Glock did his thing. Like, man, I'm gonna have to go back and check out another tape by him, because I gained some respect for him, how he just able to carry himself, man. He obviously carrying himself on other projects too, because he got a really good fan base, man. So I'm gonna check out some more Key Glock stuff, man. Y'all comment down below the next album or tape by Key Glock I need to do, man. Y'all hit that like and sub button. Join the fam. We on the road to 10K, man, and we grinding that day, man. This was a fantastic listen, man. Key Glock, you just gained a fan. You might be the best. You the best rapper out right now. See y'all.